Bye. Right, like I said, I think I saw our missing cat from 2 years ago. I saw her all the way down there, then there. She ran all the way along here and I saw her there. There, right there where Joanna is, and right there. When the first time I knew it was, she was all the way along. She was here as well, then here, then here, then here, then here. Then I got freaked out because she had no stitches and no collar. It just looks like Poppy. No collar though. I know she has grown. I saw her there, then she jumped down to here. That is just my baby Poppy. But as you see, no stitches, but she's got a collar on that one. She just looks like Poppy. She could be Molly, but with no stitch or no collar, so definitely it's Molly. So, like I said, I saw her all the way along here to there, up here to there and there, and then all the way in that garden. That is just Poppy again. Now I am sure that I'll continuing the search of Molly. See you soon. If you do see this lovely gorgeous cat, just basically call my mother, or her number is 07898 122 541. So then just ring that number. Like I said, she's got no stitch, bit big, black and no collar. If you see this lovely cat, please call 07898 122 541. If you want me to say so, here it is: 07898 07. Right, start again. 07898 122. Bye bye. We'll be continuing the search of. We'll be back after the break. Dun, 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 dun.